That's it. What are we eating?
I don't know. Crumbl or some shit.
Crumbl. Which one you want to try first?
What are the ones? I don't know.
This is pumpkin, chocolate chip, animal crackers, Biscoff.
This is the one I picked out.
Okay, try it.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like birthday cake.
Yeah, I don't like the one
Biscoff?
The frosting. This shit is hellas.
Tastes like cookie dough.
Nope, not mine. Why is it so powdery? What is that?
Cinnamon. This one is the
Terrible.
pumpkin. I don't think you're gonna like it.
Too much frosting. Nope.
Want me to lick it off?
No.
Better?
That's alright.
It's good. Last one.
Chunks.
Plain. Okay.
Big bite.
You're like plain cookies. Okay, which one's your favorite?
That one.
That one? I think I like the Biscoff one. It's not so sweet.
Alright.
Bye-bye.